Hey, this is Mr. Former Gamer. Just upgraded my iBUYPOWER BB953 I got from Best Buy last year. Got my new motherboard, graphics card, cooler, and of course, I had to get my new monitor. My actual first G-Sync monitor. It's a PG27UQ. I had to get it. I just needed it. I didn't need it, I wanted it, so treated myself to something nice. And yeah, I put in took the cooler out. Well, it's leaking. Leaked on my this is my old motherboard. There's the new Corsair H60. It was actually easier to put in than the iBUYPOWER cooler. There's my graphics cards put together. Love that 2080 Ti. And there's the new motherboard. Still got my 8700K. Put in some new memory sticks. A little dirty. A year's worth of dust. And I actually put in my hard drives um, the right way this time. And I'm about to put in my new cooler. I'm actually recorded this earlier. I'm talking over. It's my first time really getting into editing and stuff, so I'm kind of new this. This is where my iBUYPOWER was leaking. It actually leaked on my CPU, so some of you guys out there might want to take a look at this and maybe do what I did. Now, I did upgrade to a Z390 1151 ATX motherboard, an ASUS ROG Gaming E or E Gaming. There's where it leaked on my motherboard, so got kind of lucky, didn't fry nothing. And there, I put the CPU in. It's actually easy to put in. I really liked it. And then there's the front of the case, which I might go ahead and when I put my 9900K in, I might go ahead and just upgrade the case because the front doesn't really have good ventilation for like a 360 what the bigger coolers, 3 fans. So that'll be in the future. I'm not really trying to upgrade yet. Maybe next year. But yeah, I I'm actually glad I upgraded. Yeah, I'll do some benchmarkings for Arma 3, maybe some Battlefield, and maybe a couple other games here in the future. Just wanted to show my new upgrades out. So I really like that graphics card though. It's just humongous. And I did have some problems with sorry about that. Did have some problems with when I put the graphics card in. As you can see, my SATA 6 wires there. I had to actually push them down a little bit. I had a problem with my what was it called? My headers, my RGB headers. There's RGB headers on this motherboard. I had to actually switch that out because it was crushing my wires to my to one of my RGB lights that came with the case. And graphics card's huge, but I had to move some wires around. I got it figured out. Everything worked perfectly. I'll show this here booting up here in a minute. Just getting everything going. Just checking everything out and make sure everything's setup and everything. So, but I do love that new 27-inch 4K monitor. It is a beauty. Plays so good, real smooth game, and so bright. Just like it's just you just have to really just see it for yourself. I went to Micro Center to get this stuff, and it's pretty cool because Micro Center you can actually go in there and look at all the monitors. And I looked at all the monitors, and I was gonna go with the 1440p, the ultra wide, but it just looked fuzzy to me. I mean, because I had a 4K monitor, but it was a FreeSync, and just looking back at that other one, I was like, it's just fuzzy. There's no way I was gonna go back to a 1440p, which I never had before. I went from a 1080p TV, 32-inch TV, to an ultra wide 1080p, to a 4K monitor, which was not G-Sync. So this is my actual first G-Sync monitor, and it's just beautiful. It just blows my mind. I cannot believe I got this. And then here I'm just gonna boot it up, and it's just I'm very happy with this build. It was just oh man, just excited. Games are awesome with this. It's 4K gaming. Wow. Yeah, and there it is. It's just man, it's nice. I can't get over the monitor. It's just blows my mind how the monitor is just so vibrant, so clear. Everything's so crisp. Such a nice monitor. But yeah, that's it. So that's all I wanted to show you guys. So, all right. Thanks a lot.